leveling up at 60. Some of that is addressing subjects that are adult subjects, things that we don't always want to talk about. And one of those is being life insurance, and the fact that one thing for sure, all of us are going to check out, and guess what? We don't get out of this game alive. There are no cheat codes. But in all seriousness, life insurance is something that I never wanted to even face, because it makes you have to deal with your mortality. But however, there are extremely good reasons to actually accept it and to deal with it. It makes you feel better. One, let's look at three reasons. Okay, one thing, it's for your family. So when that time comes, they're not scrambling trying to figure out what to do with you. I've driven past on ramps and grocery stores, and a lot of it is a scam. People standing out there with these things, give money to my my Auntie Susie or whoever burial fund. Really? You know, or GoFundMe. I mean, I don't want anyone to have to do a GoFundMe for my family to deal with me. And that's just me. Now, if you want to do a GoFundMe, that's fine as well, but that shouldn't be somebody else's responsibility to go fund me to put me away. I need to fund me. That's being responsible. That's leveling up. But so you put that together, okay? Expenses, I should say. Experiences and expenses. Funerals, $5,000 to $7,000. And I'm not looking for anything special, but guess what? When that time comes, family, they're not going to have to worry about it. They know where the papers are. There's enough to handle that. And if they want to go for less, go for less. Second, you want to try to leave something for your kids. You know, if you guys have this much, if one of my children or my grandchildren need a little extra money for college, it's there for them. Unless you're a big baller and you saved like crazy and they don't have to worry about nothing, it's all taken care of. That's really, really good too. But it doesn't hurt to have a little extra. So it's peace of mind for your family, you know. You can do something for them even after you're gone. Put something away, store it up. Then third, it's peace of mind for you. One thing you don't have to worry about is, okay, when that time comes, guess what? Y'all don't have to worry about nothing. It's already there. Yeah, I don't know what you're going to do with it. Whatever you do, I always tell them you can go to Chuck E. Cheese and have a party if you want to. It's all right. But guess what? You can. I'm part of a men's group, a bunch of brothers. We get together, and our leader, he's a pastor. He talked about the importance of taking care of your family. And he talked about it so many times, so I was really bugged by it until one day I said, you know what? I'm just going to do this. So I have a friend. I just didn't want to give my money to anybody, some shaky insurance person. So I called up a friend of mine who sells life insurance. And I set it up through them. And it comes directly out of my bank account. Don't have to worry about it. It's not a bill I have to pay. It's just an obligation that I meet. My kids don't have to worry about it. It's done. They don't have to worry about where the money's coming from. I know it seems kind of weird, but it's true. So anyway, my dear friend, we had a meeting, and I shared with the other brothers the importance of it, and how I've been doing that for some time now. And then that very same day, he passed away. Very, 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 very tough time. Very tough time. But it helped me to know and to realize the importance of knowing that my family's taken care of. That's really, really important. That's love. That's true leveling up. Being adulting at 60, leveling up. Then you know what? When I take off my next trip, I don't mean like flying to a place to do something fun. I don't have to worry about it. So that's truly leveling up at 60. Take care of your family, because you never know when your time is going to come. Make sure they're taken care of. Level up at 60. Level up.